So what's going on mga boys? So ngayon nagmamadali na tayo umuwi kasi meron na naghihintay na namang package natin. So ngayon ito na yung pinaghihintay natin at sana abangan nyo. So what's going on mga boys? Welcome back po sa channel ko. So ngayon meron tayong i-unbox. Ito, nakita nyo naman kanina, nagmamadali tayo umuwi kasi ito na yung pinakahihintay natin. So meron tayong isang box. So ito yung sobrang tagal ko nang pinag-iipunan at sobrang tagal ko nang hinihintay. So excited na rin ba kayo? Panoorin natin. So ito nga mga boys, medyo maliit siya. So kape muna tayo. Dahil tayo sa trabaho eh. So tingnan natin kung ito. So ito, buksan natin. Hindi ko muna papakita. Sakto yung kahon ha. Oops. Huwag niyo sisilipin. Tarang! Wow! Yeah! So ito na nga mga boys, ito na yung pinakahintay natin. So sobrang tagal nating pinag-ipunan to. Actually meron siya nabibili sa US pero sobrang mahal kung i-import ko pa. So parang napaka hindi practical na mag-import kasi sobrang mahal eh. Yung price nila, tapos yung shipment, tapos yung tax pa babayad ko. So may lumabas sa Europe pero sobrang mahal pa rin. Pero nung narinig natin na maglalabas ang UK version, yan, natuwa tayo. So hinintay natin lumabas yan. So lumabas ng mga early March po. Ayan, lumabas ng March 2019. Then ngayon is May. So ayan, nakuha na natin yung pinaka-aasam natin. So buksan na natin. So pakita muna natin yung box. So ito yung box niya. So this is the box. So this is the Babyliss Super Motor Trimmer. This is only available in United Kingdom. So for those who are from US or from other countries, you cannot buy this unless you import this in UK. So this if US has the Babyliss Skeleton FX or the Gold FX, then UK version have the Super Motor Cordless Trimmer, Skeleton Trimmer. So let's read. So it's a professional high torque detail outline performance. So here, zero gap adjustable blades, Japanese steel blade with zero gap adjustment for precision detailing and outlining. So high torque, this is a brushless motor. So this is a big con. A big pro. This is a big pro. Yeah, sorry. This is a brushless motor. So, and long life brushless motor. This is all metal housing. And look at this. It has a 2-year guarantee. So, 2-year guarantee. So this must be a very good machine or very good trimmer. So let's open this. Buksan na natin mga boys. So ito, 2 years guarantee to. So kapag yung mga products na bibigay ng more than 1 year guarantee, ibig sabihin sulit na sulit talaga yun. Ibig sabihin talagang kalidad kumbaga. So this is the story of the night. Whoa, yeah. Wow, it's beautiful. All right. So this is a gunmetal. So UK version usually have a gunmetal color on their machines. So I have these two Babyliss. This is the first Super Motor Trimmer, and this is the Babyliss Chrome Pro. These are both UK version, and it comes with a charging stand. So let's compare the colors of this. Alright. Gunmetal. So excited. So let's compare the old Supermotor later. So you have here 360 exposed blade here. So you have the cup. So let me check the blade. Wow, this is beautiful. So the problem with the UK version, they don't come with a logo on the blade here. So, but you can see this is a deep tooth blade. And yes, let me compare the size of the blade on my T outliner. So this is almost identical to T outliner, but Babyliss is a couple of centimeter or millimeter wider. Let's compare the sizes of here, the sizes of this both trimmer. So this is the old Babyliss Supermotor. This is the new one, and as you can see, the new version of Babyliss is bigger, almost the same size, and this is made in China. Okay, everything is made in China. So mayroon siyang LED indicator kung nag-charge or running. So this is only for charging indicator. Let's make the first sound check of this trimmer. So let me check. So this is not zero gap, but it's almost close. Then let's make a sound check. Wow! Sobrang tahimik. May naririnig ba kayo? Wala akong naririnig. So let's compare to the Supermotor. This is the Babyliss skeleton. Alright. But it has a delay, you know. So, wow, holy shit, I forgot. So, it comes with a, of course, this is a UK version, then it will come with a UK adapter. So, as you can see, it has a very, very long, I don't know how many meters is this. But you can see the cable of this is heavy duty. So there's another package here. So this is a lubricating oil, brush, and the zero gapping tool. Alright. So I've been watching all the reviews and tests of this trimmer. I mean the Babyliss Gold FX. But in my opinion, this trimmer is the best invention ever. So from the power, the blade, the ergonomic design, and the zero gapping option is very, very easy. So ito na yung pinaka talagang kumbaga parang pinaka breakthrough ng isang machine. So ang galing ng design niya. So pag hindi tulad ng ibang blade na bubaklasin mo lahat, then isi-zero gap mo, bla. Ito, ang galing nito. Gagamitin mo lang yung luluwagan mo lang dyan. Okay, you have screwdriver. This is a hex screw. You just insert the zero gapping tool and then pack, then okay, finish. So what is different again on UK version in compared to US version? This trimmer comes with a docking station or a charging station. Bang! So this is the old Babyliss, the old Supermotor. And this is the skeleton Supermotor. After using your trimmer, just put it back on the charging station, then it's good to go again on your next client. So, see those lines? Alright.
It's not complete for this.
So hindi natin mapapakita kung gaano ka pero ito nyo naman. Right. So papakita natin yan pag meron na tayong gugupitan. Pero as of now, see those lines.
Diablo, helpless still by the lip. That's the song. Look up in the photo section. That's all the thing though.
So yun na nga mga koys, ito na yung yung bagong Babyliss trimmer natin. So sana nagustuhan niyo yung episode na to. Sobrang ganda, sobrang galing, sobrang yung pagkaka-invento nito talagang number 1. Salamat sa panonood. Thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, if you want to see more unboxing videos, just click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell. You will be notified what's new on my channel. So thank you again. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video and I will see you soon on my next vlog. And I wish you all the best. God bless all. Keep safe, be safe. And Sampitz the Hobby Barber signing out.